All right, this is Valhalla's second time ever doing this, and the last time was in August, so it's been a long time. This is leading from above her. It's also helping to get them ready to be rode by for her to see us above her. So I'm gonna send her, and you're really gonna test your leading skills, and I could really tell Seamus is much better at this than she is. So now I'm gonna send her. There we go. And then I'm gonna have her roll the hinds, clear the front, and then come back up. You want your knee to be facing forward so you're not making them be out farther. And once they get up to where they're right next to you, you just want that to be a really good spot for them to be. Right there. Okay, so then later on I can have her settled, and I can have move my jacket up here, just get her used to there. So now if I'm gonna send her again, I got my rope out front telling her to move. Go, 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 go. Come on. Go, walk. 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 Come on. Walk. Walk. And sometimes it doesn't go real well. That's okay, guys. Just go have fun with it. Walk. Just kind of shows if they're leading well or not. Walk. I got her to do it like 4 times. Now she's like, nah. Walk. Walk.
Do you like a flag?
No, you can't use the flag with this one.
Okay.
Walk. There she goes. Keep going. Walk. 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 There. Okay, so that wasn't pretty. She's done it better, but that's okay. Go have fun with it. Just keep practicing. Get yourself really handy. Walk. Okay, so you want to be able to do these figure eights. And if you really can't do it, you're going to go back to doing this between you and a fence. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, so then when she gets up here, you're just going to let her be. Good girl. There. Okay, so just make this a really good spot for her, and they'll keep getting better with time. This also shows how good you're doing with your leading. Thanks for watching.